Today we're going to start from scratch and I'm going to take you step by step, turning this $5 account into as much as possible in the next 30 minutes. Right now, I funded my account with $5. The link of the broker that I'm using is in the video description. To find buy trades and sell trades, I'll be using these two indicators. And if you turn this $5 into more than $2,000 in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to give you the settings of this whole strategy so that we can do these two. These are the two indicators that we are using right now. We can actually see gold is below the two indicators. So I'm going to enter a sell trade. Gold is a volatile pair. In minutes, you can actually double your account. Once you double your account, close the profits because it's time to actually increase the losses and go big. Right now, we have gold rejecting the two indicators. This is actually a good entry. So I'm going to enter with 0.1 lot so that we can actually make profit. Look how gold is actually going down very sharply. When gold is coming from below these two indicators and you see it turning exactly on the indicators and then it starts to go down, this is the best place to actually enter so that you can easily double, triple your trading account. Now gold is changing direction. You can actually see a full candle above these two indicators. When there is a full strong candle like this is where we like to enter because after this, profits actually come in fast. All we are doing right now is actually following the momentum where the market is going. That is where we are going. This is one of the easiest way to actually make money from the forex market. When you see that the market is actually going up, you enter with a big losses and you sit down and see your trading account grow together with where the market is going because you are entering in the same direction where gold is pushing very fast. When trading like this, the drawdown is small and also your risk is very small and also you get to take profit much faster. The other way we enter the market is when you have a small retracement. This retracement comes and touches the previous candle high and then the market starts to go up. With this type of entry, you have to be fast to enter. This is where we use the broker, which is in the video description. With this, the profit also comes fast. So hitting your daily target will be easy. Now when the next candle after the rejection candle closes above the two candles, we also enter another trade. When your account is growing, make sure you are using a bigger losses than you were using before. This way, you also make bigger profit and hit your target fast. After a big push like this, the market usually form a retracement like this one which is happening right now. For us to enter into a trade like this, we wait for the market to actually go above the last red candle which tagged this blue moving average. This blue moving average actually acts as a support level, so it will actually push gold to actually go up fast and also we also make profit fast. Sometimes the market actually repeats itself. The same pattern which you entered before is the one which is actually happening right now, but the only difference is that we are now entering with a bigger lot size. With this trade pattern, we enter with confidence and also when actually hit our target, we also exit very quickly because gold can actually turn anytime. It's almost 30 minutes right now. Look where we are. We started with a $5 account. Now we are at $1,464. Each and every trade we took to get right here is a lesson to it to improve you as a trader. Even though the strategy is the same, but each and every trade that you take is different. So you must learn from it so that each and every time you also make bigger profit. The indicators that you're using today are not the normal ones. You can actually see they are very different. If you go to the settings right here, the first one, period, is 9, method, exponential, apply to high and color blue. Then the second one right here, period, is 15, method, exponential, apply to close and color black. So these two indicators, you can actually see when gold is below these other two indicators, it goes down very nicely, and also when it's above these two indicators, it also goes up very nicely. To also raise a $5 account into over $1,000, you also use some confirmations which I've just shared with you during this actual video. So you need to watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can actually be able to do this again and again. But to fully confirm if this is really a powerful strategy, we are going to take this actual strategy much further and also give you some other confirmation which I've not not shared with you before. I want to see how much we can actually make in the next 15 minutes. We also enter a trade when the market is coming from above, going to a previous high, which is now turned to be a support, and it starts to reject it. After this level is rejected, gold actually shoots up very fast and actually get to our take profit quickly. If gold comes back to this actual level the second time, we will also enter again, but this time with a bigger losses, so that we can actually make more profit. For take profit, we'll be using the recent high which has been formed as gold is coming back to this actual level. Then when we are close to the take profit level, we enter quickly and also exit quickly. This is where we need to use the broker, which is in the video description, so that we can also be able to catch profit quick. The only time that you don't enter is when you see that gold is not rejecting the previous high, and also it's forming red candle after red candle. To enter a sell trade, we wait for gold to go the other side, and when we have a big account like this, we enter multiple trades one after the other until the broker says not enough money. And once we hit our target, we close the trades, and now we can officially say we have raised a $5 account into $9,000. As you can see, this is the trading account. We started with only $5 and now we are sitting at $9,407. And these are all the trades that we took from the first one up to the last one, which actually took us to $9,000. So the next time you are left with your last $5 and you want to raise it fast, come back to this video and copy exactly what I did, so that you can also grow your trading account fast. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.